Ngayong araw, finally may desisyon na si LeBron James. Pinili niya ang Philly. Kaya naman pag-uusapan natin ang official lineup ng Philadelphia 76ers para sa 2026 to 2027 season. I-breakdown natin ang buong roster. Magsisimula tayo sa guards, forwards, centers at syempre, ang potential starting five. Una sa guards, unahin na natin si Tyrese Maxey, ang best guard ng team. Primary ball handler ito, scorer at playmaker. Maasahan na ito sa clutch time, nag-average siya last season ng 28 points, 4 rebounds at 6 assists per game. Sumunod, VJ Edgecombe, young star ng team. Ganda ng pinakitang performance nito last season. Sa napakabatang edad, isang two-way player na. Defender at athletic na scorer. Future superstar material. Sumunod, Anthony Simons, posibleng 6-man ng team, yung magbibigay ng spark off the bench. Nag-average last season ng 15 points, 3 rebounds at 2 assists per game. Sumunod, LaBaron Philon Jr. Ito ang rookie ng team. First round, 22nd pick ito ng 2026 draft. Isang developing playmaker ng team. Nag-average ito sa Alabama ng 22 points, 3 rebounds at 5 assists. At last, Caleb Love. Isa pang reliable na guard off the bench. Nag-average last season ng 10 points, 2 rebounds at 2 assists. May depth ang Sixers sa backcourts. So forwards naman tayo. Unahin natin syempre si LeBron James, ang all-around player. Hindi lang ito pang power forward. Kahit anong posisyon, kaya nito. Ang magiging role niya this time, isa siyang veteran leader, playmaker at sa playoffs, siya pa rin ang posibleng sandalan ng Sixers dahil karamihan sa mga ito ay wala pa masyadong experience. Kahit 41, magfo-42 years old na, isa pa ring elite na player. Kaya naman pinag-aagawan pa rin siya ng mga teams, title contenders. Nag-average last season ng 21 points, 6 rebounds at 7 assists per game. Sunod, Jaylen Brown. Isang two-way superstar, scorer, defender at clutch performer. Kagaya ni Bron, nakapagkampiyon na rin ito. One-time finals MVP. Nag-average last season ng 25 points, 5 rebounds at 3 assists. Sumunod, Justin Edwards. Isang versatile wing, isa sa mga young guns, 22 years old pa lang. Nag-average last season ng 6 points, 1 rebound at 1 assist. Sumunod, Jabari Walker, isa pang young gun off the bench. Nag-average last season ng 4 points, 3 rebounds at 1 assist. Sunod, Dean Wade, isang stretch big na makakatulong sa spacing ng Sixers. Fit na fit nga siya sa playstyle ni LeBron James. Nag-average itong si Wade last season ng 5 points, 4 rebounds at 1 assist. Sunod, Marjon Beauchamp, isa pang reliable na wing. Nag-average last season ng 7 points, 2 rebounds at 1 assist. At last, Dominic Varlow, isang developmental big ng team. Nag-average last season ng 7 points, 4 rebounds at 1 assist. Maraming interesting wings at versatile forwards ang Sixers. Dumako naman tayo sa centers. Unahin natin si Joel Embiid, si The Process, isang dominant big man, MVP level scorer, mahusay na rebounder at rim protector. One of the best centers kapag healthy. Nag-average last season ng 27 points, 10 rebounds at almost 2 blocks per game. Sunod, Adem Bona, isang athletic backup center, rim runner at defender. Sunod, Ariel Hockforty, isa pang 7-footer, kaka-champion lang galing sa New York. Isang hustle player na handang-handa kapag ipapasok. Ngayon, dumako naman tayo sa potential starting 5 ng Sixers para sa 2026 to 2027 season. Point guard, Tyrese Maxey. Shooting guard, VJ Edgecombe. Small forward, Jaylen Brown. Power forward, LeBron James. At center, Joel Embiid. Ang lineup na to ay sobrang deadly. May scoring, defense, size at championship experience. Magbibigay ng leadership si LeBron at IQ sa batang core ng Sixers. Definitely one of the favorites sa Eastern Conference. Tignan natin kung makapasok ang Sixers sa finals o manalo na ng NBA title. Malalaman natin yan next season. For more NBA content, ilike nyo ng ating video at mag-subscribe na rin sa JB Buckets.